A wire is suspended between two poles. Function f, defined by the given table, represents the elevation in feet of a wire at a point x feet from the first pole. So the x values are a distance from the first pole. So the first pole is at 0, and then its elevation is 28. And then the second pole, I believe, is 16 feet away from the first pole, and its elevation is also 28. Now, how do I know that? Well, I typed these into Desmos, and I had to hit the minus button to get the picture here. But there is what I believe to be the picture. So here's our first pole, and here's our last pole. And when I say that here, that eliminates the first answer, because I think that the two poles are 16 feet apart, not 24 feet apart. The second answer says at its lowest point, the wire is 8 feet above ground. Well, remember our heights here are going to be these f of x, these y values. So there's no value that's 8 feet above ground. Again, we've already talked about how far apart we think the poles are. So it must be this last option here. At its lowest point, the wire is 24 feet above ground. Well, let's go to Desmos and look at that. Our lowest point is right here, and sure enough, it's 8 feet away, I believe, 2, 4, 6, maybe 6 feet away, somewhere in between there, 8 feet away. It's 8 feet away now that I look more carefully. And then 22, 24, it's 24 feet. Again, 24 feet above the ground.